We hear it all the time. Folks who can't lay primer on their projects due to either a lack of experience or equipment, compressors that are too small, or fear of getting overspray on everything in the garage or in the neighborhood. That's why our R&D team recognized this issue and decided to offer a solution, our OptiFlow Roll-On Primer System. This system allows you to achieve spray gun quality results simply by rolling it on yourself. These primers offer the same quality and adhesion as standard primers and lay just as flat, meaning minimum sanding. Best of all, the process is really easy. Simply mix the two-component epoxy like you would standard primer, then roll it on. Use the 2K aerosol in tough areas, then block sand and apply body filler until it's straight. Finally, apply the urethane primer, sand, and you're ready for color. It simplifies the process and saves you thousands of dollars at the body shop. And as you can tell from this hood, you can barely tell which side was sanded and which wasn't. And that means it goes on about as smooth as a paint gun, so there isn't much sanding work to be done to get it perfect. And best of all, no paint gun to clean, no overspray, and minimal masking. OptiFlow Roll-On Primer is available in epoxy and urethane with kits to match everyone's needs to get your project ready for base coat and clear. Whether you're tackling the entire project, doing one panel at a time, taking the car to bare metal, or painting over existing finish, there's an OptiFlow kit for you. Let's dig deeper and go over the various kits that we offer. Remember, a full breakdown and comparison chart of these kits are available at Eastwood.com. First is the Basic Epoxy Kit. This basic kit includes everything you need to get your project an epoxy primer and ready for bodywork. It includes epoxy primer, large and small rollers with handle frames and trays, mixing cups, 2K aerospray for hard to reach spots, as well as guide coat for finding imperfections in the body. This is exactly what you need to begin laying a solid base for your project moving forward. Next is the Complete Epoxy Kit. This kit includes everything from the basic kit, plus all the sanding blocks and sandpaper you need to get the car perfectly straight and ready for urethane primer and color. Then there's the Basic Epoxy and Urethane Kit. Essentially the basic epoxy kit, but includes urethane primer and activator as well, plus 2K aerospray urethane primer for hard to reach areas. This is ideal for the person who already has sanding blocks and paper at home, getting you one step closer to that finished paint job you're after. Lastly is the Ultimate Epoxy and Urethane Kit. This is a combination of all the other kits, perfect for the person who wants to get their project completely ready for color and clear. As far as savings go, this kit allows you to save the most time and money doing the work yourself before it's time for base coat and clear. This kit gives you everything from the basic epoxy kit, plus urethane primer and activator, 2K aerospray, urethane primer, sanding blocks, and sandpaper, allowing you to get the car perfectly straight and ready for color. We all want that perfect paint job with a mirror-like reflection, just like the door we primered with OptiFlow before applying color and clear. Just check out that clarity. OptiFlow is the basis for that perfection. Again, full kit breakdowns are available as well as detailed how-to instructions on our website to help you put your best foot forward. OptiFlow is the clear choice for those who wish to tackle laying primer and bodywork themselves without the need for a paint gun. Save thousands over a body shop by having the car ready for color yourself, even if you have someone spray it later. For more information, click the link to visit Eastwood.com.